Happy Easter! What is it?
Rabbit.
A rabbit? What is it?
Walk.
Does it walk?
Yeah, walk.
Okay.
Walk.
What else is there?
Mommy.
What is that? Who is it?
What is who?
Is that Mickey Mouse?
My house.
Should we take that to church and play with it? Oh, you want to see the rabbit?
What?
Put it on the Mickey Mouse part, that box.
Rabbit.
Whoa!
Walk.
Is he walking on Mickey Mouse? Ah! Uh-oh. What else, buddy? What else is in your basket?
Egg.
Is there an egg?
Egg.
What's in there? You open it?
Tea.
Treat! Yeah!
Red.
Yeah!
Open it.
You open it. Wait, what else is in the basket? Is it your treat? You want your treat? I know it's early, but you can have one treat.
I
Okay. Buddy, what else is in your basket?
green.
Your green?
Red.
Yeah, it was red, huh? I think it was orange, but that's okay.
Open
No, it was
it.
red. Okay,
Open it.
what else is in your basket first? Do you see what else is in your basket? What else is in there? Another one. Okay, what else is in there? Okay, buddy, what else is in your basket? Yummy! What else? What's that? Let me turn the basket around for me. Buddy, what else is in there? Who is that? Who is that right there? Who is it? Is that Mickey Mouse? Those are bubbles. Bubbles.
Out.
Can you get them out?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ow.
Logan, can you say Happy Easter?
Happy to
Oh.